Can I dream after him? See, we'll go down where it stops going down for Donald. So I did for draft again. I kind of lost again. But we got this stuff. Yeah. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully, we're just going to get somebody. So first, we're going to be opening the gold pack. Here goes. Let's see. I'm going to run out of here. Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my! How much should he go for? How much should he go for? Let's see. How much did he go for? 1,000? Man. Oh my gosh, that's probably my best. Well, no, it's not my best. Yes, it is. Joe Mata. Oh my God. Okay, we can do some, even a foot did this stuff. And we just send this stuff to oh my God.
So what time will I have to leave? So Golden's a half-hour drive?
This gives you to get there a half hour early.
And then we want to send to transfer, and then the rest clicks out, and then points. Oh, that's a good pack. That was probably my best pack. Silver player pack.
Coming down where like C4
I'm just going to get out, and if there's any farm
So the first game of, I'm talking to Mommy, I'm not talking to you. The first game of last summer of a previous season where a lot of the kids didn't show up, that game where you were...
But just quick sell the rest of that. That's not good. And our final pack is Ultimate Mode. I'm going to get out. I'm going to run.
No, but after that, then the parents that weren't at that game were just playing the kids' games, which I found interesting.
Let's see who it is. It's not right where one is.
So anyways, it's a half hour, I'll say it's a half hour away. So what time do I need to be ready by this morning? Or need to get this?
I'm looking for the email. You get them too, don't you?
I get those you 9 emails.
That's a good package. Oh my.
Exactly what I'm looking at.
Let's see
Look it up yourself.
what let's go to our squad. Wait, Spain squad. Squad. I have all these players. I have a squad. Four of them. That's our squad. I have this player. This Torres. Yes, I have all these players. There's these players and I don't have full space. But yeah, let's add these players to my state team. So we add, right, Joe Mata.
Does that work in your...
Yeah, Joe Mata.
I don't know.
Anything.
I just erased where I need to go, so.
We're going to switch you,
Which is not easy to find.
switch you,
Since Abby's team is not used teams now, we do not get addresses,
and
so we
then,
have to go to the Scott Soccer
this center
website,
that.
look at a map,
I'm
try
going
to
to
figure out where it
switch
is. You don't get
you.
addresses, and then you have to try to figure it out in the day with people now, so it's not easy.
So I just need 2 more Spain players. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love this video. I hope you love everything about this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. And uno, dos, tres, cinco. I did it wrong. Bye.